The mod. Hmm? The mod. It's alright. Like right now, it does seem to be. I'm trying to break down because they've got these masks are so misty.
Alright, this is your box that you need to get the canister.
You can get some defogging spray.
The steam does not help on it.
I'll get you some anti-fog spray.
You're not the Terminator. You're not the Terminator. I'm already hit. You're already hit.
Oh my god. Yeah, just head straight back to the wall. If you hit, it's no count. Just walk straight back to the wall. Yes. Yep.
I don't know if we're allowed.
Yeah, you are.
Are we?
Past the wheel.
Yeah. You can go into that room through that way.
We can? That's what you're doing, huh? Can't hit the top.
No. Anyone?
No, not anymore.
Hold in.
Far left side.
Yep. Right, if you hold that, I'll push left. So, oh, sorry. No, don't count that. Carry on. I'm an idiot.
Why did that not count?
Because you weren't past your spawn line.
Oh, so they can't shoot me? Yeah.
My bad.
You can't shoot me either, I'm in here.
No.
Wait, so if I go past that door?
Hey Vinny, pass it.
Wait, who's trying to to it?
Right, stack up.
He's pushing, he's in that room, he's in that room.
Right.
Room opposite, room opposite. He's in. Fat and 6 foot.
Come around. How's it looking? Right, move it in. Oh, I fucking hit that. I see it bounce off you, you bastard. Hit! Didn't hit me, but I'll call it anyway. Don't bother with that room. Just go to this left side. That's where the canisters are.
You completely missed. Oh, did I? Yeah, you completely missed.
No, the wall. Hold on, there is a guy peeking. No, he's gone, but he's still
If you
there.
want, I could just show charges that are taking place. Can you use grenades?
Yes. Go, 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 go. Oh, hit. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Through there, on the right.
I've already got that room, I've already got that room. You can't go back corridor. Let's go.
Oh, sorry. Oh no.
How do you stay crouched?
Watch him, watch him, watch him.
shot his arm, he was getting
Sorry. Frag going in, ready? Grenade! Sorry. Secure the canisters! Move! Take it, move! Take it, back to spawn! Move in! Oh, hit! We got 2 more. Keep it secure, don't let them respawn. Keep it secure. Find the canisters.
Everyone's dead. Everyone's dead. Everyone's dead.
Mad rush for the canisters. Check the cupboards. That's what they say when it is.
Where are the canisters?
5, aren't they?
Can we take this hostage?
Well, we've got 3. How the hell can they be? Right, check the other room. Someone's dropped a mag. Right, check the other room. Check that room.
There's a dead guy now, I'm just watching him.
Is he dead?
Yeah, he's dead in the corner.
Right.
How many are we missing?
I don't know, I'm trying to get
I hate the canisters.
Oh, yeah, they can be indoors and stuff. Yeah, how did that hit me?
4 take.
How the fuck did he know that was there? They won't cut the one that was there.
Did they? Well, we got 4. Meaning
How many is there?
5.
There was 2 in there. They took that one there.
I know what you're like.
They gotta put it.
But they weren't really like hidden.
Yeah, get it back. That's 5. We've won. We've won.
You can't shoot diagonal, can you? You can't shoot that way, can you?
Yeah, you can. You can't walk that way. You can shoot diagonally though. Thank you. Oh yes, that's the way to do it.
We tried the long violent way and then you decided screw it.
Yeah.
We just win.
I thought, well, I could do that in the first 30 seconds, but that's it's no fun for everyone else.
You thought you try it the proper way. If all else fails, victory by superior fire.
Yeah.
I was in the room. Just a little bit. Who was it?